Hi everybody, my name is Joe Summers. Along with my wife Tanya, we own and operate Chalily. The sun may be setting, but the deals are heating up at Chalily. Once a year at Chalily, we have a sale. We call this sale Glow. Glow because it's at night. This year it's July 7th, which is coming up fast. July 7th, you get discounts all day long at Chalily. From opening until 5 p.m., you get 7% off all your purchases. 7% because it's our 7th anniversary this year. Once we hit 9 p.m., the discounts increase. Look at that. 9 p.m., discounts rise to 10% off. If you stick around till 10:01, guess what? 15% off everything at Chalily. And if you're a night blooming water lily like the Summers family, at 11:01 p.m. until everyone else is gone, it's 20% off everything. There are no exceptions. Discount is 20% off anything and everything at Chalily. At Chalily, we like to say it's a flipping explosive good time. If you joined us other years for Glow, you know what explosive means. If you've joined us other years, you know what flipping means. If this is your first year to join us, you'll have to come and find out what is flipping and what is explosive. Please do plan on joining us. Take advantage of this huge sale that we only have once a year. Remember, up to 20% off. I do thank you for watching. Check us out at chalily.com, Facebook, or Instagram.